For you, what is the meaning of Reyna? At ano yung gusto mong iparating dun sa mga LGBT community about this song?
I mean, hindi lang to para sa mga reyna ha. Kasi pwede ka maging reyna kahit hindi ka babae. Of course, it's so much deeper than that. And when you listen to the lyrics, if you translate it in English, it's like you have been bashed, you have been insulted, criticized all throughout your life. And it's really your lakas loob, your confidence that is your true crown. Lakas loob ang aking corona. Hindi pagpapanalo ang aking corona. Lakas ng loob, and that means you can do that in anything you do within your life. Kaya, sobrang reyna ka dyan, sobrang reyna ka dyan. Kapag kunwari na nag-graduate ka lang, you got promoted, you mastered a new skill, nakaka-reyna talaga because all of that, you will only discover if you had the courage to try something new. So parang gano'n lang naman.
Thank you, Michelle. Congratulations.
So,